Today we will learn about the magic word please. Friends, do you know when you should say this magic word? Have you heard anyone use the word please? You should say please when you want something or you are asking for something from someone. Let's see an example on how this magic word please is used. Mama, may I have a cupcake, please?
Yes, of course, sweetie.
Did you see how the little girl used the word please while asking her mother for a cupcake? Now, let's take a look at another example. Can I please play with your toys? Sure, you can. In this example, the little boy said please when he wanted to play with the little girl's toys. Let's now take a look at one more example.
Could you get me the newspaper, please?
Sure, Papa. Did you see how the little boy's father said please when he wanted the newspaper? The magic word please is used by everyone. It's good to use please when you want something or you are asking for something from someone. Will you remember what I said? Goodbye for now. See you again.